Banks are paying people $200 to $400 just to open an account. Here are 7 you can sign up for today. I'm excited, but credible. Like the friend who collected $1,400 in bank bonuses and mapped out every step so you can replicate it. Over the next 12 minutes, I'll walk you through exact dollar amounts, requirements, timelines, and how to stack them. I'll show the cheapest ways to meet direct deposit or funding requirements, how to avoid fees, and how to keep clean records. Quick roadmap: Chase, Wells Fargo, Citi, SoFi, US Bank, Discover, Capital One. Then a 90-day stacking plan. We'll use payroll where needed or ACH transfers when allowed. Then calendar every deadline so nothing slips. Set reminders to close or downgrade before monthly fees kick in. Ready? Let's start with Chase. Chase checking bonuses are typically $200 to $300. They're reliable and a great first promo, usually requiring a qualifying direct deposit. Qualifying direct deposit usually means payroll, government benefits, or an ACH from another bank that Chase codes as payroll. Cheapest route: switch your employer payroll to Chase for 1 or 2 cycles. If you're self-employed, test an ACH from a payroll processor or a bank known to code as direct deposit. Bonuses commonly post 30-60 days after the qualifying deposit. Add a reminder the day the window ends. To open, minimum funding can be as low as $25 or $100 depending on the offer. Read the fine print before sending money. Pick a fee-waived account or meet the waiver with direct deposit, minimum balance, or linking a Chase savings. Use the same direct deposit to waive fees and trigger the bonus. Documentation: save the promo page or code, application confirmation, and screenshots of your direct deposit setup. Set 2 reminders: bonus post ETA and the fee-free window end date. Do not close early. Some promos require the account to remain open for a set number of days. If the bonus posts late, contact support, reference the promo name, and your confirmation. A polite, persistent follow-up often resolves it. Trick: if your employer allows, schedule a one-time earlier payroll to hit Chase immediately so you're not waiting a full pay period. Track which paycheck goes where in your bonus spreadsheet to avoid double committing your income. Chase may limit by product or household. Don't expect multiple identical bonuses from multiple Chase checkings. My example: I received $300 by routing employer payroll, waited for the post, then decided whether to keep or close the account before fees returned. Wells Fargo bonuses vary by region and branch, often around $200. Check both online offers and local branch promos. Step by step, compare online versus in-branch. Ask staff for written confirmation and save any regional flyer or email. Timelines: expect posting within 60 days, sometimes up to 90. Set a 120-day follow-up reminder just in case. Avoid fees. Choose the fee-waived product or meet the waiver via direct deposit, minimum balance, link to savings, or monthly activity. Some offers allow cumulative deposits. You can schedule smaller ACH transfers over a few weeks to reach the threshold. Document everything: promo PDF, screenshots, confirmation numbers. Keep them in one folder with posting dates. If a maintenance fee posts prematurely, contact support for a waiver while the promo is active. Example: I funded with a small opening deposit, scheduled ACH totals to qualify, and the $200 posted within 60 days. Citi runs tiered offers, from smaller bonuses to as high as $2,000. Bigger bonuses require larger balances and holding periods. To target $200 or $300, expect mid-tier deposits, commonly $10,000 to $25,000 combined across checking and savings. Mechanics: some require a single deposit, others require maintaining a minimum balance for 60-90 days. Postings usually follow shortly after. Open exactly the products listed in the promo: checking, savings, or a combined package. Verify you're in the correct tier. Risk check: Respect FDIC limits, $250,000 per depositor per bank per ownership category, and avoid liquidity stress during holds. If terms are vague, send a secure message for written clarification. Save the reply with your records. Don't park $50,000 for a $700 bonus if it drains your emergency fund. Optimize, but don't overextend. Execution, fund, hold, confirm bonus, then plan your exit or keep the account if it fits your long-term banking needs. SoFi's checking and savings typically pays $250 with qualifying direct deposit and often features 4 to 5% APY on savings tiers, a strong ongoing perk. Cheapest path, add a split of your payroll to SoFi for the required amount and timing. Many offers require 1 or 2 qualifying direct deposits. Steps: open SoFi, verify promo enrollment, set payroll split, confirm first deposit, track expected post window, then assess APY benefits. Posting is usually within a few weeks after the qualifying DD lands. Add a reminder. Bonus plus high-yield interest can make SoFi a keeper even after the promo. US Bank often offers a checking bonus 200 plus with qualifying direct deposit or cumulative deposit activity. Specifics vary by promo. Meeting requirements: route employer payroll to US Bank or schedule ACHs if the terms allow cumulative deposits to qualify. Apply with the promo link or code, save confirmations, and pick a fee-waived account or meet balance G activity waivers. Expect posting around 30-60 days after requirements are met. Set a follow-up to check activity on the expected date. Discover's angle: savings bonuses rotate, and the Discover cashback debit can add everyday value. Watch for savings promos and match-style offers. Process: open the promo account, fund per tier, maintain balance if required, and track the posting window. Cashback debit pairs well. Small, everyday purchases add steady value alongside the savings bonus. If a hold period applies, calendar the end date and set a task to review and redeploy funds. If the bonus lags, message support with your promo code and timestamps. Capital One rotates checking and savings promos. Checking offers sometimes require direct deposit. Savings often require a deposit and 60 to 90-day hold. For checking, route payroll to meet the DD definition. For savings, fund the tier required to reach 200 plus and hold as specified. Always save the public promo page or targeted mailer. Capital One can have specific eligibility rules on prior customers. Post usually within a few weeks after requirement confirmation. Set your exit downgrade reminder before monthly fees resume, if any. Direct deposit hacks. Use payroll split to send the minimum to each bank. Verify that each bank codes it as qualifying DD. Fee avoidance. Choose fee-waived products, enable low balance alerts, and link savings where allowed to keep waivers active. If a fee hits mid-promo, politely request a courtesy waiver citing the active bonus terms and your good faith participation. Track each bank's waiver rules, deposit thresholds, and minimum open days in your spreadsheet. Set recurring reminders, monthly waiver checks, 60-90-day hold reviews, and final post-date follow-ups. Create a folder per bank, save promo PDF, screenshots, application confirmation, funding receipts, and secure message transcripts. Capture your DD setup and any ACH labels the originating bank uses. These prove qualification if there's a dispute. Escalate if denied on a technicality. Ask for remediation or a supervisor review. Written proof wins. Many promos require the account to remain open for a specific period. Calendar that minimum to avoid clawbacks. Tax note: banks may issue 1099 INT or 1099 EMISC for bonuses. Record amounts for tax time. 90-day plan blueprint. Month 1 focus on Chase and Wells Fargo. Keep requirements simple and fee waivers locked. Route a payroll split to Chase first pay period, Wells Fargo second. If allowed, schedule ACH top-ups for cumulative offers. Month 2, add SoFi for the 250 plus bonus and APY. Keep a portion parked to earn interest while you wait for posts. In parallel or after SoFi's DD hits, open US Bank. Use either payroll or cumulative ACH strategy per its terms. Month 3. Initiate Citi if you can meet the mid-tier balance for $200, $300. Start the hold early to finish by day 90, 120. Add Discover Savings if a promo is live, and use Cashback Debit for routine spend to stack value while waiting. Finally, Capital One. Either direct deposit to checking or deposit and hold for savings, whichever is offering 200 plus. Legal and ethical stacking. Never falsify payroll info, and don't close accounts before minimum open days or bonus posts. Space applications if a bank flags recent openings. When in doubt, ask support about eligibility windows. Set clustered exit or downgrade reminders right after your bonuses clear to avoid fees and churn flags. Chase. Open eligible checking. Enroll via promo link. Route payroll. Wait 30 to 60 days. Confirm post. Keep or close before fees. Wells Fargo. Compare online versus branch, small opening deposit, cumulative ACH if allowed, 60-90-day post, document everything. Citi, pick tier, deposit $10K, $25K for $200, $300, hold 60-90 days, respect FDIC and liquidity, get written confirmation if unsure. SoFi, set payroll split, confirm qualifying. DD, track post, benefit from 4 to 5% APY, consider keeping as a high-yield hub. US Bank. Use payroll or ACH per terms, meet minimums, confirm fees are waived, follow up at the post window. Discover. Open savings under promo, fund per tier, hold if required, pair with cashback debit for daily earn. Capital One. Checking via DD or savings via deposit and hold. Save promo PDF. Calendar the exit or downgrade. Realistic haul if you stack all 7. Roughly $200 to $2,000 over 90 days, depending on your deposit capacity and which promos are live. Master tracker columns: bank, product, requirement, needed, start, requirement met, post ETA, fee waiver rule, exit date, posted amount, 1099, final checklist. Confirm each post, screenshot it, log the amount, schedule closures or downgrades after minimum open days. If any bank denies a qualified bonus, escalate with your evidence. Most cases get resolved when you have clear records. Disable overdraft where possible. Keep a buffer to avoid accidental fees, and don't let maintenance charges eat your wins. After bonuses post and minimum days pass, revert payroll splits to your primary account or to your best high-yield home base. Action plan. Start with Chase and Wells Fargo this week, layer SoFi next pay cycle, then US Bank and Capital One, and add Discover and Citi as your liquidity allows. Stacked right, that's $1,200 to $2,000 in easy money in about 3 months, with clean records and minimal hassle. If this helped, tap subscribe and turn on notifications. I post new, high ROI bank bonuses and stacking maps every month. Next up, the safest high-yield accounts to park your cash between promos. I'll see you in that video. Links to current offers are in the description. Read each bank's terms before applying. And happy bonus hunting. Questions? Drop a comment. I'll help you troubleshoot your setup so you don't leave money on the table. Banks are paying people $200 to $400 just to open an account. Today is a great day to start.